Greetings, good day. Welcome to today's Unity Mobile webinar. I'm Richard Morvetz, Unity Mobile's Marketing Manager, along with Alex Frakes, Unity Mobile's Partner Lead. How are you today, Alex?
Hello everybody, I'm well. Thank you for joining us.
Right, well, today we'll be discussing about mobile and specifically focusing on the theme of winning with mobile. For instance, boosting engagement with customers, product and service possibilities through landing pages, QR codes, and various distribution methods. Also, we'll be looking and reviewing into successful examples of mobile strategy using our platform. So just a quick note that Unity Mobile will continue having a series of webinars covering a wide range of topics from how to easily create, manage, and publish a mobile website, the marketing of your website. In the future, we'll also be including our webinars on reselling mobile and developing your own brand. So if you're interested, you can register for our webinars on our website, www.unitymobile.com. Also, if you have any ideas for webinars, feel free to drop an email to us and we'll consider covering a topic that may interest you. So without further ado, today's webinar topic, we'll be focusing on winning with mobile. Alex, I guess maybe the first question, why mobile? Why is it important? Why go mobile?
Well, if you're still asking why go mobile, it is now time to think how to go mobile. As you can see in our slide that we're presenting to you, your customers are already close to it or around the corner. Some are already in your store. Your customers are prepared while on the go with mobile internet access, SMS, smart devices, barcode readers, email and social apps. They're ready to be engaged and expect to be engaged with the things they need and want from you. So the question really is, are you engaging your mobile customers? Let's see how to go mobile. Recent Google studies reveal great trends in mobile. Mobile search has grown 5 times in just 2 years. 30% of smartphone searches are for restaurants. 73% of mobile-enabled shoppers would rather research things on their phone while in a store rather than talk to a sales customer's rep. I have done it myself. These customers are smart, they're connected, and their standards are ever higher. Addressing the needs of your mobile customers is really not that complicated. So let's explore some ways to get started.
Right. So I'm intrigued what you started off with here. What would you advise? What should I do if I want to get started?
Well, it really doesn't take a lot of effort to get started. You probably already have a website, or we hope that you do. You have an understanding of your customers, what they need, how they interact with your business. You've done marketing and advertising for them. So mobile is a natural extension of that. I would recommend some simple steps to making mobile success for you.
Right. So the first step is building something simple, perhaps something very quickly. How would this work, Alex, if I want to do something very quick and efficient?
Absolutely. So let's start simple. As with any other project, really getting started is always the most difficult part, as we all know. That's why building something simple yourself is a great starting step. It is best to identify what your customer really wants to do with your business in mobile. Consider the most common tasks your customers do or will find valuable while on the go. Most of the time, this is something very simple, such as quickly finding a phone number to call you or a map to your location. Very brief descriptions of products and services offered are also great candidates for mobile content. A mobile user is always looking for quick access to basic information. Long descriptions and lots of options are usually not recommended at all. I really see 2 distinct possibilities here for your mobile initiatives: landing pages or full mobile sites, full mobile campaigns. Landing pages, on one hand, are fantastic ways to boost engagement with your customers. Create a simple mobile business card with some basic information about your company or product or service landing pages. Create a mobile-only coupon page, a simple contact form. Landing pages or one-page mobile sites are the easiest and fastest way to get started and take advantage of the mobile medium. On the other hand, full sites are suitable to establish a mobile presence as an extension to your normal website, normal web presence. But remember, a full mobile site should really not be a copy of your standard website. It should be a concise compilation of your most valuable information, along with fast ways to engage your customer and with your business. Don't overload the user with too much text. Keep options simple and easy to get to. Use simple buttons. Always really consider what is important to the mobile user. So let's think about what that means. That means adding value. A mobile site or landing page is less about research than it is about speed of access. Mobile users must quickly find the features they need rather than read long paragraphs of text, try to find navigation links, or wait for the device to load lots of images. Consider a mobile user searching for a plumber or a locksmith, or even a local flower shop. Most likely, this user is not interested in the full history of the company, available careers, equipment use, or the full variety of products offered. They care about finding the quickest way to dial the phone number for your company or finding the closest location. They might want a little incentive to do business with you, like a coupon. Adding value to a mobile site is easier than you might think. Mobile-specific features such as click-to-call, click-to-map, location finders, SMS, QR codes, and email are all optimal ways to do this very, very quickly. They are represented by simple buttons or links, quick forms, and graphics. They really take seconds to implement in a platform such as Unity Mobile. Mobile-optimized content is a must to ensure a consistent and good user experience. Always use finger-friendly navigation buttons, either text or images. Keep text scrolling to a minimum. Keep colors consistent and use them to aid reading. Never use bright yellow text on a bright blue background, or even worse, red text on a green background. Another great way is to engage with mobile video. This is a great way to communicate more detailed information or provide engaging introductions or descriptions. Use a platform like Unity to remove the need to understand what devices can play what formats or what size your video should be. Use mobile as a new means of engagement. Offer coupons, quick sign-up, or contact forms. Display ads. Coupons can be as simple as asking the user to mention the mobile site when calling, or as complex as a full graphical ad with a barcode that can be scanned. But always keep your pages clean, simple, and easy to understand.
So Alex, we talked about design, formatting, good user experience. Simplicity is key is what I'm gathering. Any other things that you think we should consider when building a mobile website?
Simplicity really is key. In mobile, less is really more. But I guess another key to being successful in mobile is to take advantage of your local market. It is one of the most valuable assets that most companies have, and it can generate a lot of success. Being relevant locally applies to all your web initiatives. Google searches are increasingly biased towards local results. Search results are more and more being organized and presented with a local focus. This really makes sense as a consumer, since I'm more likely to do business with a company that I can engage with more personally, and it's also closer to where I am. It improves trust, customer service, and ultimately produces good results for you and for the customer. Being locally relevant in mobile is hugely beneficial, as mobile users act a lot faster. This provides a better chance to generate more business with less cost.
You know, I have to add to that, Alex, I've been reading in recent weeks and past months that Google is obviously placing a much higher priority on local searches, and it's all about the content. You know, their algorithm really prioritizes local relevance. So that being said, how can we attract more local customers?
Absolutely. So mobile offers new ways to generate leads and monetize these leads. Simple features such as click-to-call, click-to-map, or location finders are very useful to the local user, and they're more likely to act upon those. You can drum up some new business by quickly offering local-only coupons directly from your mobile site, or by providing additional tools while a customer visits your location. Simple social functions such as Facebook or Twitter messages increase brand loyalty and aid in your reputation. So implement some simple social check-in functions, or encourage your in-store visitors to scan a QR code to discover more about your business or any new offers. Link these QR codes to specific campaigns or coupons, or even mobile video.
You know, you mentioned about integrating a campaign. You talked about QR codes. So I'm wondering if you can elaborate a little bit on how we could integrate QR codes properly with any campaign that we're going to consider.
Absolutely. So in case you guys don't know what QR codes are, they're simply graphical, machine-readable representations of some text, some encoding. QR codes are being used more and more to provide a very easy and fast way to capture a web address, contact information, or even set calendar appointments automatically on your device. The most common use of QR codes you've probably seen is for encoding a web address, such as your mobile site or landing page web address. You can use a QR code for each page on your mobile site or for distinct landing pages. The great thing about QR codes is what you can do is print them and place them in your marketing materials, your flyers, your stickers on your front doors. Encourage your customers to discover your mobile content by scanning a code. Sign them up for SMS alerts. As you build your mobile sites and campaigns, you can use a variety of distribution methods to spread the word and have your content discovered. Mobile-specific functions include QR codes, of course, SMS, and even email, as well as social media channels such as Facebook or Twitter. These distribution methods produce better results in the short term than relying on your content being found via normal search.
So it sounds pretty compelling. Alex, what about long-term costs and commitment? Can we essentially just set it and forget it? Is this easy maintenance?
I would definitely not recommend setting it and forgetting it. Just like any ongoing project, mobile should be part of your long-term strategy. But long-term, the trends are to focus on mobile first and then extend that to the desktop. However, costs don't have to spiral out of control. By keeping things simple, making updates or tweaking your content will be very, very easy, and you can do this yourself. Use services that provide you with detailed insights into the performance of your mobile campaigns. Analyze and understand how your customers find you, what content is valuable to them, how they engage with your mobile content. Make it easy to track these campaigns by building dedicated landing pages for each campaign. Keep things separate. Business data is vital to your success. Make regular use of dashboards made to you, and look at detailed reports to measure as much as you can. When making updates to your mobile content, do it incrementally. Focus on small measurable updates. Keep things fresh and do this often, and encourage your users to return. They will increase engagement with you. A very important note here is don't forget your competition. Testing your data and your business information against them will provide you valuable information about how your business is performing and highlight where you can find some competitive advantages. Don't be afraid to remove things that don't work. For example, if you choose to post a video on your main product page, but nobody's clicking on it, remove it, take it away, make space for something else, put a coupon there. What I really like about using a platform like Unity is that I don't need large budgets or highly skilled employees or technical knowledge to do any of this stuff. I can go in day or night, make small adjustments or build new content very, very quickly. I can get access to a tool that lets me build and tweak and measure and optimize and engage with my customers on the go. And at the same time, I focus on my business goals.
Thanks very much, Alex. Now, that being said, I'm wondering if you can give us an opportunity just to show an example of a successful mobile strategy and mobile engagement with the customers. Perhaps show us a comparison on an effective mobile website and how it compares perhaps to the classical website.
Okay, Richard, I would love to show you that. So let's take a look at a very common service here in the States and a popular one. It's called Precision Tune Auto Care. And I think it's a great example of what can be done with mobile in a nice, efficient, and successful way. As you can see here from their regular website, they have quite a lot of content that doesn't all make sense to be mobilized. But we extracted some very important mobile features, such as find a location, coupons, and then localized offers and contact information for each of these locations. So let's take a look at what mobile site looks like. As you can see, we have a very tightly matched brand, including their logo, design elements, colors, everything looks exactly the same as their desktop site. And we've integrated some very valuable mobile optimized features such as finding a location, the special offers, and some other features around services and other content. So let's take a look at finding a location. I'm going to search by zip code that it's very popular. So we've connected this to some web service on the regular website that provides us some results based on the search query we're doing, the search keywords. So I've entered the zip code and I get results based on that location. And I can see a bunch of centers around me with highly optimized information about them. A very simple address, some distance information, and I have mobile optimized links here, such as location details, a click-to-call function, a click-to-email function, and special offers. So I can choose to pick the location that makes more sense to me. I can click on that, get more details, again with very highly optimized mobile content, hours of operation, email links, and the services available. I can also click to see special offers. I get access to coupons on the go wherever I am by accessing this very simple mobile service. So as you can see, some very simple basic functionality from the desktop side can be migrated into mobile and taken advantage of by a mobile user very, very quickly in a highly specialized way. I have a variety of ways of engaging with this services to this customer as a business that will increase my value and increase my leads and ultimately increase my business. So the bottom line is that you can offer very, very optimized mobile solutions very, very quickly without a lot of technical knowledge or mobile expertise. You simply just design your website, design your content, and identify what is most valuable to your end user. Always keep it simple and start today.
Thanks, Alex, for displaying some wonderful examples today during today's webinar. This concludes our webinar. Thank you very much for those that joined us today. Should you have any questions on how Unity can support your mobile strategy, or you have any follow-up questions whatsoever, simply give us an email. You can reach us at info@unitymobile.com. Thanks very much, Alex, and thanks very much from Unity Mobile.
Thank you. Bye-bye.